Alright, so I made a video the other day about how to find your factory code for your door if you had a key, but I didn't show you how if you don't have a key, if you just have a key fob. So I'm going to show you how to do that. This is a 21, but it should work on any other version. Just a similar process for that just has a fob and not an actual key. So what you're going to do is you're going to need to locate the slot that this key will, or the fob will fit down in. Some of them are down in like the bottom of this front thing. There's a panel or the little floor you remove. In this one, in the 21, it is under one of the cup holder covers. So you see there is a slot there. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the first key in the slot and just let it sit down in there. You're going to push your engine start, not with your foot on the gas or on the brake. Don't put your foot on the brake, just push it. It'll go into accessory mode. Here you can see, boom, accessory power. Now what you're going to do is push that button again to turn it off. You're going to remove that fob from the slot. You're going to put your other key fob in the hole and do the same thing. Just push it again without putting your foot on the brake. And there you see your factory key code is shown. Now that is your factory code. So that one's going to work regardless. So don't give that one away. Alright, so now once you have your factory code, you can use it to put in a custom code of your own. And to do that, go to settings down at the bottom, and then you're going to go to vehicle. And then you're going to go all the way down to the bottom to the door keypad code. Now you're going to enter that 5-digit code using these buttons down here. You're going to enter the 5-digit code that you just got when you put your key fobs in, and then hit enter, and then it's going to ask you if you want to create a new one, and hit yes, and then you'll enter it twice, and then it will save your new code. So then your new code and your old code, so your new code and your factory one, will work to open the doors on the door. So there you go. You can also delete your original factory one, but I wouldn't recommend it. So alright, that's it. Hope this helps you. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.